Good morning, everyone. Today it is around 6:15, about half hour before sunrise. We are here in Zion National Park hiking the Watchman trail. It's beautiful already, if you can't tell. We're still in the visitor center kind of area, kind of just started the trail, so let's go. It's a bit windy, but bear with me. Alright, we got about a mile and a half to get to the end. It's an out and back. So it's gonna be about up a mile, maybe a little bit more, and then a little bit down first. And then we hit the end. Wow. Dude. It's still kind of like on the darker side for my camera, especially like shooting that deer right there, to really be good at focusing. I do have a good camera for focusing, it's just sometimes it just can't, you know what I'm saying? See if I can get this guy. Okay, so I changed my picture settings to standard, standard, which is more of a contrasty side than it used to be flat. I want more contrast. Hopefully the pictures turn out better. These rock structures are just insane. Okay, let's zoom up on this. I think that looks the best there. Let's get those cars down there. Get the tips. I love shooting through stuff. As long as it's a good view on the other side, it really helps like frame it. See, this would be great if I was more back so that I could get more of a longer telephoto shot. Yeah, kind of like this, if you can see that, just like that. Maybe that. Alright, sunrise just hit about like a few minutes ago. The colors, they aren't the best. You know, there wasn't much sunrise colors, which is fine. I'm more of a golden hour type guy, and that's kind of like the first 2 hours of after sunrise. You could start to see the color on the rocks over there. I don't know if you can in this camera, but I could definitely see it. The color of that rock there, dude. Please put that on a wall. Let's get a tight shot, actually. Get some texture. Alright, so I made it to the top already, or the end. It's kind of just like a little loop at here now. It goes down and then back up to where it kind of just started. Gotta watch my step here so I don't fall down the mountain, but it's not that far, so I should survive. By the way, I think I did this hike an hour too early. Like, do you see that up there? It's not, I'm not up there, you know, so I'm not seeing the cool sunrise golden hour colors. All I'm seeing, it's just, I mean, it's light, but it's all in the shade. Even this guy at the very top here. Oh. ISO down. Bring that there. Alright, since we're waiting, let's use the tripod. Let's get myself in some photos. We'll see it, 10 seconds. Wow. And that's how it's done. Kind of have to look starstruck. Spinning in a circle while looking up. Perfect. Dude, it works every time. 10 seconds.